Assalamu alaikum to all students. Hope you are fine. Today we will discuss about lecture number 17 of unit number 1. Okay. Uh, so let's start our today's lecture. Today today's lecture we will start from topic 1.5. Science. Our topic is science as an integrated discipline. As you know, science is an integrated and organized knowledge about problems, objects, or processes of nature. In the scientific process, observation, reasoning, and experiment or physical verification are the basic tools that are necessary to find any kind of result. It is because of scientific way of thinking that the scientists have been able to widen their knowledge and scope of their research. Branches of science is mainly divided into two main categories, and these are divided into further branches. Okay, our first branch is branch of science is physical sciences, and second is biological sciences. Let's start about physical sciences. Physical sciences, it is the main category of science that deals with Earth, universe, mountains, ocean, etc. Physical science is further divided into following branches such as astronomy, chemistry, geology, and physics. Let's start about astronomy, chemistry, geology, and physics. Astronomy. That is one of the oldest branches of physical science that deals with the study of heavenly bodies, like that deal with the study of stars. Okay, Egyptians, Babylonians, and Muslim astronomers stud- made a thorough study of those heavenly bodies, which could be seen with the naked eye. On the basis of these observations, they framed the calendars. All of the people, like Chinese people, Egyptians, Babylonians, and Muslims, they made some calendars according to their observations. The concept of year, months, weeks, and days was a major achievement of these astronomers. Okay, modern astronomy starts with the invention of telescope. The first telescope was made by Galileo in 1610. The telescope has made our studies. Now we have too much grip in our astronomy knowledge. That is because of the invention of telescope. Okay? About the heavenly bodies, more factual and accurate. Because of telescope, we may learn more accurately about heavenly bodies, more factual and more accurate. With the help of telescope, various heavenly bodies which were not known before have been discovered. Because of telescope, we have discovered a lot of heavenly bodies such as black hole, okay, cluster of galaxies का झुरमुट, etc. We all these things find out because of telescope. Physics and mathematics play an important role in astronomy. Next is about chemistry. That is the branch of physical science deals with the nature, composition, and properties of matter. It is also deals with the study of various chemical reactions taking place in universe. Various chemical reactions taking place inside the living bodies are also considered part of chemistry and called biochemistry. Okay, the studies about inside the living thing bodies, that is called biochemistry. The digestion of food, burning of candles, dusting of iron, and release of oxygen from plants are the common example of chemical reactions. That all are the examples of chemical reaction that are any reaction that are taking place around us, that are taking place inside our body, inside our living thing, the process of oxygen from plant that is releasing from plant, all the reactions, all the knowledge about these reactions is called chemical reactions that are discussed in the branch of science that is called chemistry. Geology. It is also known as the science of earth. It deals with the study of soil, rocks, minerals, oil, gas, deposit. Okay, it is the science of the earth that deals with the study of soil, rock, minerals, all the things that are living in the earth. This branch of science is getting great importance because it is directly associated with the exploration and excavation of fossil fuels, for example, oil, gas, and coal. Okay, that is directly associated with all the things. It is related sub branches are geophysics and geography. Okay, geology, their sub branches are geophysics and geography. Pakistani geologists are exploring oil and gas fields in the country. Geological Survey of Pakistan is an important organization which undertakes investigation and exploration of underground resources to determine their location, nature, and recoveries. Okay, that is very important organization that undertakes investigation and exploration of underground resources that are present beneath the ground, like gas, oil, coal, fossil fuel, etc. Their location, nature, and recovery. Physics. Physics is an important branch of physical science that deals with the physical properties of matter and energy and their interaction between them. Okay? That is a branch of science, physical science. Physics is a branch of physical science that deals with matter, energy, and their interactions between them. It helps to study the basic properties of matter under different conditions. It is vast, it is a vast subject that can be divided into sub-disciplines such as mechanics, heat, sound, light, electricity, magnetism, and atomic structure. All the modern equipments like radio, televisions, telephone, tape recorders, digital watches, calculators, computers, laser machines, etc. are the product of physics. That is because of the physics. That all the inventions are because of physics. The equipments made by the physicists are used in different disciplines of science. The equipment, the inventions that are made by the physicists are further used in different field of science. As I told you that physical science, our science has divided into two parts. One is physical science and second is biological science. Let's start about biological science. This main division of science deals with the living thing. It includes the study of structure, function, and development of living things. It is divided into two main branches. Okay, botany. Botany that deals with the scientific study of plants, and the second is zoology. Okay, zoology that deals with the scientific study of animals. Okay, botany deals with the study of plants, and zoology deals with the study of animals. Agriculture and medicine are the integral part of biological sciences, and both have relationship with chemistry. Okay, agriculture have relationship between with chemistry. Our next topic is role of science and technology. Our topic is role of science and technology. Technology is the outcome of scientific knowledge. That is because of scientific knowledge, that because of it we may get different inventions which not only help us to understand our physical world but also give the laws that govern the various phenomena. Okay, the our technology, it's not only help us to understand our physical world but also give the laws that governs the various phenomena. Application of these laws have helped in the inventions of new devices for the welfare of society. The role of science is fundamental in the improvement of the standard of living in the field of agriculture, industry, transport, communication, computers, televisions, drugs, and construction. Technology has brought a drastic advancement that impacted the human society. As you can see that because of science there we have a lot of inventions in our life which may make our life very easy. As I discussed here, some of the inventions like industry, transport, communication, computer, televisions, constructions, that has brought a drastic advancement that has brought our life a new change. Because of it, uh, our life become very easy. Agriculture. The use of machines like tractors, scrapers, harvesters, threshers, and tube wells has greatly helped the men to get maximum production. The use of pesticides, insecticides, and fungicides has saved the crops from conventional disease. Fertilizer are in no way less important than other technologies. The use of fertilizer has increased the fertility of the soil, which led to the production of their better crops. Okay, Uh, because of agriculture advancement, because of tractors, scrappers, this advancement, we are using pesticide, insecticide, and fungicides that have make our production more. Because of these inventions, we are getting more crops from the, that place as compared to our previous time. Medicine. Up to 19th century, the medicines were obtained from natural sources, for example, plants, animals, or minerals. With the advancement in the field of biochemistry, the drugs are now being synthesized in laboratories. Many antibiotics and vaccines are now being synthesized in the laboratories. These drugs are then produced at large scale for the prevention and treatment of various diseases. Nowadays, the major biological problems are cancer, AIDS, and hepatitis. Okay, because in this century, 19th century, the medicines obtained from natural resources, for example, for plants, animals, and minerals, that with the advancement in the field of biochemistry, more kind of uh, more energetic medicines has been produced to face different diseases. Many antibiotics and vaccines are now being synthesized in our laboratories. Nowadays, our major problems are like cancers, AIDS, and hepatitis etc. Okay, that are major problems of today's time. Engineering. With the awakening of society, the man has constructed and created great structures like pyramids of Egypt and Great Wall of China. These are the symbol of advancement in the field of engineering. With the help of mechanical engineering, a great variety of machines was invented which made the production of thousands of utility goods possible. The construction of factories, bridges, dams alongside the invention of computers and various machines has changed their human society. Modern communications has brought the whole world close to each other. It is because of engineering that uh, we have made different inventions which make our life easiest. For example, pyramids of Egypt, Great Wall of China, that is because of engineering. Heavy machines are invented now to meet our needs. As you can see that the construction of factories, bridges and dams alongside the inventions of computer and various machines that has all of these invention has changed our life, changed our lifestyle and more easiest. From all these inventions we may we may get our life very easy, and because of this engineering this world close together. So beta, that is your today's lecture. If you have any question you may ask question. Okay.